Hey guys, welcome back again. In this video we are going to learn how can we manage email notifications on the FreshBooks app. Let's get started. Once you open the FreshBooks app, you will get this page. Here you have to click on the settings icon. Now here again you have to click on settings. Here you can see email notifications. Click on this. Now you have email notifications to me. Here turn on or off all email notifications. You just have to click on this button. Now this is activated. It means you are going to receive email notifications of all these options: invoices, payments, estimates and proposals, projects. Again, if you click on the same button, now you can see you are not going to receive email notifications about any of these options. So we should turn on this. Now you can also separately turn off and turn on these notifications. As I click on our recurring invoice is sent. Now this is deactivated. It means you are not going to receive email notifications about the recurring invoice is sent. And if you want to get this notification, again you have to click on the box. So this is how we can manage the email notification. That's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.